Good morning, one and all. Myself and Renuka, Department of English. I am very glad to inform you. My seminar topic is The Open Window by Sakhi. The Open Window by Sakhi is a 1914 short story about Frampton Nuttall. Sakhi is the pen name of H.H. Munro. H.H. Munro, born in Burma in 1817, he worked as a journalist before gaining fame as a short story writer under the pen name of Sakhi. The introduction of the story. This is a small story by Sakhi. The story revolves around an open window and a smart storyteller girl named as niece of Mrs. Sapton. Here we are going to discuss the short story. First of all, we have to introduce three characters. Number one is Frampton Nuttall, those who are suffering with their nerve problem. The next, niece of Mrs. Sapton. She is an important character in this story. The next, another character is Vera. She is 15 years old, 15 years girl old. The next, the story is an amusing story about how a girl spins fictitious story about things and people in a short time. How she has to fool the Mr. Nuttall. It is the story of this short story. Mr. Nuttall has no nerves element. He is a very serious and suffering from nerves problem. He tries to recover his problems. He is to countryside for cure and calls on a family friend on an introduction note by herself. On calling, the lady of the house was busy and her younger niece, who comes to entertain him, refers a family mishap with a focus on an open window. Unexpectedly, when the Vera came to the Mr. Nuttall, she has to entertain herself. Why? Because he don't know about Sapton. It is very existent and entertaining to her. Why? Because in the villages they all know about Mrs. Sapton. So she kept trying to go for take that. You don't know nothing about my aunt. Again she repeated like that. Okay, Veera is going to quick the witness in her conversation, finds out Mr. Nuttall is new to the city. When she is going to take the conversation with him, she finds one thing. What is that means? He is new for that city. He doesn't know about her aunt. So she want to entertain herself. She narrates him to mish up that the situation to create a new thing and new story for cheer up her. About 3 years ago, just a matter of Mr. Nuttall, sister left that countryside. She tells him that about 3 years and a day ago, Mrs. Sapton's husband, along with her younger brothers and a friend of for a game of her month of October, with them they are going to the company of her dog spaniel as usually. They were accompanied by their dog of spaniel. Here she is interestedly, very sincerely explaining to them what happened 3 years before. What happened when the exactly what she is creating a story. What will happen after her aunt will come there. What she will talk. What time she will arrive. What is the time. So these are all the picturizations. She created and imagined a story and she started to exactly what will happen next time. Sad demise of Mrs. Sapton and his team. She started the story, told to the Nuttall that through they were regular gamers when they are regularly going for hunting and shooting and know the countryside well, but on that fateful day they were tricked by quicksand. Unexpectedly, they don't have to go for another options. Their body was never recovered for that found. Mrs. Sapton had not been able to digest the truth, overcome the shock, and that is why she always left the window open, hoping that her husband and younger brothers will come. And she is exactly the shocking of that situation. She may think like that and she will talk, she will wait for them. What the fictitious story and horror story she is creating It is suitable to that situations. For example, the open window, what the window is opened there, it will open as usually. Why? Because her husbands and younger brothers will go for hunting, and they will come as usually in the evening, so they may have nothing will happen there. But in this situation, they will turn to herself, her amusing arrivaling of Mrs. Safton. When she is sincerely telling the story of horror story, suddenly there is a small disturbance, small sound. She came. Who came? Mrs. Safton will came there. Present of Safton arrived and met Mr. Nuttall that time. After some time she came and she met the Mr. Nuttall, and she is asking how you are feeling. You are all okay, and Veera is amusing you, Veera is entertaining you, and she is telling like that. And exactly what the question is asking her, that she thinked already, she felt, she know everything. So she created a great story of her husband's return from the gaming. Mr. Nuttall tied. When he is hearing from that woman, he felt very shivering from himself, and he want to change her situation, the exactly happening situation. He want to change the topic. So he is going to introduce himself. Myself, Mr. Nuttall, I am getting very serious problem on house. I want to take my solutions from you people. My sister advised you, and I came here, and he is going to tell something. And that exactly time he spoke about his illness and the reason of his visit. However, Mrs. Safton continued to talk and spoke about how when he is going to discussing about himself, but she is not asking about that. It is the exactly time of evening. They will come back, and she has to go for take arrangements of evening tea and etc and etc. So she is going to take that. Arrival of Mrs. Safton and his team, the Mrs. Safton spoke about how her brother would be come, and how they will tease her, and how they will be cheerful about that. Cheer all happened. When the Safton spoke about how her brother would come, she appeared to be cheerful and seeing the arrival of her husband and his gaming team. When they came safely, she is very happy for that. While she is waiting to them, they came back. She is very happy. When the time they came, the niece looked scaredy to them, and she is looking with exactly what the situation will happen there. She is looking Mr. Nuttall too. And both of them started looking in the direction of the window. They exactly discussed with their eyes. She is telling how what I asked him, it is exactly happened. I said now like that. She is looking. Mr. Nuttall couldn't help turning in that direction, and knew three human figures are coming. Figures means they are coming, the shadow, a dog coming towards them, and they are getting to frightened about their situations. And in the depending the 12th, three figures were walking across the lawn towards the window. They all carried guns under their arms, and one of them was additionally burned with a white hood hung over his shoulders. A tired born spaniel also kept to that. In this way, what the situation will happen, she is looking cheerfully. Here is the picture what we are discussing here. The picture is here. See that the spaniel and her husband, two brothers are coming there. It is our picture. To exchange of pleasantries. When that Frampton rapped wildly and his stickies and hat has the door, Mrs. Safton greeted her husband and remarked that he was in mud up to his eyes. Her brother teased her as usually. She commented how he was in time for the evening tea. What the Safton greeted her husband and what she said to the Nuttall, that exactly happened there. They came, returned happily, and what she tell, how there will be mud up to bottom. They are all mud with their coats and everything. And her as usual, her husband and brothers are teased her for waiting of herself. She commented how he was in the time of evening tea, and she is waiting for the tea of them with them to have the cup of tea. And then exactly what will situation happen there. Here the person, those who are the Frampton Nuttall, is going to get a great pretend situation. He is going to take his hat. Frampton grabbed wildly his stick and hat, and the all door, the gravel drive, and the front door were dimly noted stages in his heated retreat. A cyclist coming along with the road had to run into the hedge to avoid intimate collisions. To keep it eyes, and he is very shivered. He may not stop there. Why? Because he understood they are those who are coming near and who are there entering to the window from the window. Exactly, they are all ghosts. They are all ghosts. I know about that. I don't want to give any explanation about herself, about what is his problem and what he want to explain to the Saturn. He don't want. And what is his problem also he kept, and he started going to outside and he want to go from another side and going to take the run to go outside, and he dashed out of the persons, and he don't know how he is running, what is his health issue, and etc and etc. So at that time, they are all committing a continuous of disturbance and some confusion. What happened to him? Why he is going to take that run? And without a good boy and everything, and nothing will happen there. And almost extraordinary man of Mr. Nuttall, Mrs. Saturn could only talk about her illness and dashed off without a word of goodbye, apology. When you arrived, one would think he had seen a ghost. Just like that, there is a ghost coming there, and they dashed and run away. They are discussing like that. Another story, in that exactly time, then Veera felt there is nothing will happen. There is no one person, only the Veera is there. She felt if any doubt coming on her side, so she want to create another exactly creation of a story. What will happen there? Why? Because she is a great illusioner person and great storyteller. She may create another story exactly the time what will happen there, what the situation is created there. She started a new story, a new bullcock story to that. I expected it was the spaniel. She is going to expect. This is the time the niece spined another story about how Mr. Nuttall was scared of dogs, and probably the sight of the spaniel made him run away. I think aunt and the brothers of there is there now some people. She is going to start. I think those who are the person is running out. It is exactly the point of spaniel. I think so. Spaniel, maybe spaniel story. I think she told the group of how he told her about the incident wherein he was chased by a pack of dogs and he had to take refuge in a newly dug grave in the graveyard by the Ganges. When they both are spent some times to discuss about each other, that time he discussed with her about, I expected it was a spaniel, that exactly what the dog he saw. He nicely calm, he told me a horror of dogs. He was once hunted into a cemetery somewhere on the banks of Ganges by a pack of dogs and had to spend the night in a newly dug grave with the creatures and snarling and grinning and fuming just above them, enough to make anyone lose their nerve system. So that exactly time what he imagined, and she will apply it about him on him. Wish the pack of dogs waiting for him with four mouths. So he gone like that, and it is the romance at short notice was her speciality. And I'm feeling about you people, it is a small story, there is nothing will happen. It is the creation of a one girl, those who want to entertain herself with the characters of Mrs. Sapton and her brothers, husband. She may not left for especially the dog also. What the situation happens is she want to enjoy herself. She want to entertain herself. That time she started a story and she was to complete her entertainment to that person, those who are come newly to the village, and automatically they discussed some situations and exactly what will happens in evenings. Automatically morning they will go and automatically they will return back to the evenings. So exactly it will happens, and the point she raised, it came down. So the short story of this will go on arounds of the niece of the Veera 15 years. Here we have to discuss the romance at short notice was her speciality. I think those who are give me this opportunity, I felt very happy for that. Thank you one and all from my college and those who are hearing my seminar. Thanking you all. Thank you.